Unlock significant passive income by turning your unused digital assets into cash on Flippa. First, accurately value your domain by considering factors like its age, keyword relevance, brandability, and traffic, which tools like Estibot and Flippa's own valuation engine can assist with. Next, navigate to Flippa.com and click on the Sell tab to begin the listing process. Input your domain name, then select domain name as the asset type from the drop-down menu to proceed. Craft a compelling description that highlights your domain's unique selling points, potential for growth, and any accompanying traffic or revenue data. Choose your preferred selling method and auction to generate bidding excitement or a buy it now price for a quick sale. Once listed, be prepared to engage with potential buyers, respond promptly to inquiries, and professionally negotiate offers to secure the best price. After accepting an offer, follow Flippa's secure escrow process to transfer ownership and receive your payments safely and efficiently. By meticulously following these steps, you can successfully monetize your domain names on Flippa, turning digital assets into tangible profit.